Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best parking sensors on Amazon. Parking lots are always crowded, and maneuvering through one can be very tricky. This device measures the distance between your car and the obstacle. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. STKR Concepts Adjustable Garage Parking Sensor Aid. The STKR Concepts Adjustable Garage Parking Sensor Aid is compact and set at a low price. It's a great device to hook up in your garage or anywhere you may park at home. Instead of audibly beeping as you get close to an object, this sensor flashes from green to yellow and red to let you know how close you are. Think of it as a stoplight. It uses ultrasonic radar to detect vehicles that are between 6 feet and 6 inches. While it may not be a component you can take with you by installing it on your vehicle, this sensor works great for the home. The sensor doesn't have any sort of audible sound alert. It sticks to the wall with tape, but it may not be the strongest and can fall off with time, so you may want to consider using another adhesive to secure it better. Number 2. GoodChief Universal Garage Laser Line Parking Assist. Rather than relying on a homemade parking assist or your own site, this sensor makes it much easier to park using lasers. By hanging the main unit where it has a clear view of your car, it alerts you when you come into contact with the lasers. The lasers work by intersecting at one point on the vehicle's dashboard. Once they cross, an alarm sounds for 45 seconds, alerting that it's safe to park. Best of all, the laser system can be used for just one car or can be modified to be used with 2. Keep in mind that you will need an empty light bulb hub to install the system properly. It may also not work all that well in smaller garages, as it requires a larger space to be set up correctly. Number 3. ZoneTech Car Reverse Backup Radar System. This parking sensor system includes 4 sensors that you install on the rear bumper. It comes with a double CPU and an advanced chipset for added obstacle detection. Its LED display has 3 colors, green, red, and yellow, that show the distance between your vehicle and an obstacle. This reverse radar system can detect small children and low walls. It's very durable and made of high-quality materials to make it last longer. The reverse parking sensors have protective circuits to keep it from overheating or overloading. It's also weatherproof, so it holds up in a variety of conditions, including freezing temperatures. However, the supplied wire is not long enough to install the system in a big truck. Also, its beep warning may be too loud, which is also common with rival products. In addition, the colors may not be an accurate distance indicator. Number 4. Hopkins Envision Backup Sensor System. The Universal Kit includes an easy mounting bracket with 2 sensors. Both sensors provide a wider range of protection while parking any car and can detect up to 5.5 feet away. The sensors can be easily mounted on the license plate. It works by alerting the driver with loud beeps as the vehicle gets closer to objects. Starting at the 5.5-foot mark, the alarm beeps faster as the object gets closer to the sensor. The sensor blends in seamlessly with the rear of your car. However, the speaker cable may be too short for longer trucks and cars. You may also need to drill a few holes near the license plate to run wiring through to the cab or dashboard as well, but this won't necessarily be on all vehicles. Number 5. Echelon Parking Sensors with 8 sensors. This parking radar system includes 8 ultrasonic sensors, a digital control box, and an LED display. It ensures secure and easy parking by emitting a beeping sound as a warning and by displaying your distance from an object, which helps prevent collisions. It comes with a detailed user's manual. The unit is easy to install using a drill head to drill a hole on the bumper of your car. The closer you get to an object, i.e., a wall, the more frequent the beeping sound becomes. It has a selection of 8 weatherproof sensors in a variety of colors: black, red, gray, white, deep red, champagne gold, blue, and silver. It also comes with a 3-year warranty. One problem with this product is the detection range is small, so if you reverse at high speeds, you may hit an obstacle. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.